Hello, Thenjiwe.
Hello, Chinglis.
Hi, how are you?
Oh, yes, I'm fine.
But you are fine?
Yes, I am doing well. I am well.
But how is everything with you? Everything with you is fine and all?
How many times must I tell you I am well?
So because I've greeted you 3 times, is that even why your voice has changed?
What else do you want me to say? Are you expecting me to say I'm dead?
No. A greeting is just a greeting. If I want, I can greet you 4, 5 times.
But you've been asking me the same thing. If you don't know what to say, why are you even calling? Why are you asking? Why don't you wait until you know what to say? You acting like a guy who has no game. You wanna say something, but you don't know what to say.
Hey, I think you've gone too far now. No, you've gone too far. Because of a greeting, you want to get upset. No. When I send you money, do I count?
Please don't put money into this. Money is innocent. Money didn't...
Do I count how many times I send you money? No, just answer.
Please don't put money into this. Money is innocent. And besides, do I ever complain when you put money all the time?
You people need to be very fair. When I send you money, I don't count. I just send 3, 4 times. Send me money, I send. Send me money, I send. Now to greet you 3 times, you want to say, no, you are greeting me. You have no story. No.
It doesn't become boring when someone sends you money all the time. But this, how are you? How many how are yous am I going to get in one phone call?
Yeah, don't complain about money.
Oh, come on now. You know I'm just joking. But it's
Eh? What did you say?
No, it doesn't matter.
But why use your language when you know I don't understand?
It doesn't matter.
Okay, even you, if you're in Walanda, they no labor, now it's bobo labor. Not they no labor, now it's bobo labor. All Valentine's, Tawakaimone, bye.